Hey, Emma from Dovecote here. I'm just going to do a little scarf tying tutorial, so stay tuned. So I've got a scarf here. This I've just rolled to make a nice long skinny scarf that I can just loop around one time. Just a cute little accessory. But I wanted to show you that it actually is quite a large scarf. So this is one of our Sabina Savage scarves. This is 100% cashmere. It's 135 by 135 centimeters. It's a big scarf. For reference, I'm about 5'7". So I've taken it, and I just like to make my squares into triangles. That makes my life a little bit easier. It'll make your life a little bit easier. So I've got my triangle here. I put one point there on the bottom. This is, again, 100% cashmere. It's a beautiful, lightweight cashmere that just really gathers well, so I just gather. And I just take that little point there, keep it facing down, bring those ends right around. I'm going to sort of adjust here. You can either leave them like this, beautiful. We can also take them, put them underneath and tie. They kind of just stay there. And so now our big square, it doesn't look like a big square anymore. It's just a nice, manageable accessory. So, love that. And what I did before was I just, again, took that same triangle, I like to take the doubled up end here, and that's when I just roll skinny, 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 skinny. Pretty easy. Just roll it up. Again, one loop. Super cute, really easy. It's not, super close to the neck. It's not too warm. It feels, just breezy and pretty. It's not as much print showing, but it's a lovely way to wear it. You could also double up, keep it a little closer to the neck, tie it right there. I like to take mine and throw it to the side. It feels very Parisian, and you're done.